Morning, guys. This morning we're heading out to Raising Roots Farm, which is it's a sheep farm, right, babe?
Yes. Hang on.
Got some camera difficulties over there.
Well, it's country roads, and he's all over the place.
Yep. Anyway, we'll be filming another Meet My Neighbor on Raising Roots Farm. We started filming them a while back. You may have seen the shearing day video.
No, it's not Raising Roots, honey.
No, Rising
Meadow Farm.
Rising Meadow. Everybody's rising up these days.
No, Raising Roots and Rising Farm.
They're both going up.
Raising Roots and Rising Meadow.
We choose heavenly places.
We are headed this morning to Rising Meadow Farm. It is a sheep farm where we had that little feature of the shearing day. They have baby lambs. So we're gonna have a little conversation with the Fays and let you see some sheep. Some baby sheep.
That's good enough.
And now you can mention if you would like to. Raising Roots.
You are.
Oh, that was sweet.
Yeah, Raising Roots, since I brought them up, is a hog farm.
We'll probably cut that part out so you don't have to say since I brought them up.
Are we doing Raising Roots this week?
No, but I just figured if you wanted to talk about it, sure.
No, we'll save them for later.
Okay. Now, you play a specific kind of music for your sheep. Would you care to tell me what you have going on in the barn for these guys, gals, folks?
Well, unfortunately, we've had a problem with getting connections, but we have, for all the time since these barns were built and there were sheep in them, we have had classical music playing and we've had WCPE from Raleigh, Durham, where they're all connected, and they play classical music 24 hours a day, and the sheep love it. And they particularly like when they play Sheep May Safely Graze. They are big Bach fans, and I mean, they just think, yes, this is good.
Hi, Mama. It's okay. It's okay.
He's looking at you.
Yeah. Hi, buddy. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, you're so precious. Hi. Hello. I probably smell like coffee.
My face.
That's okay. You're a lamb. You're allowed to be. You're allowed to be doggy. Oh my gosh, just so cute.
Aren't they cute? You can share it with people. They just like to come and get their hands in it. People are like that. They really like that feeling, you know, that they've been connected, and there's a feeling about knowing about the place, and oh yes, I know about that, and you know, this is what they do, and that's a good feeling.